Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Binance password. First, open your web browser and go to the official Binance website. On the login page, you will see a Forgot Password option. Click on it. You will then be prompted to enter either your registered email address or your phone number associated with your account. This is the crucial first step to regain access to your account. After entering your contact information, you'll need to complete a quick security verification puzzle to prove you're not a robot. Once that's done, Binance will send a 6-digit verification code to your registered email or phone number. Check your inbox or messages for this code. It's important to enter this code accurately into the provided field on the Binance website within a few minutes to proceed. Now it's time to create your new password. Choose a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Binance typically requires at least 8 characters. Enter your chosen password in the first field, and then re-enter it exactly the same way in the confirmation field. This helps prevent typos and ensures your new password is set correctly. Congratulations! Your Binance password has now been successfully reset. You can now log into your account using your new password. For enhanced security, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, if you haven't already. Always remember to keep your password confidential and never share it with anyone to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.